Congratulations to all our graduates and those who are moving up from our kindergarten to our grade 6, grade 12, junior and senior high school, and senior high school ALS. To our graduates from kindergarten, I am so proud of you. Marami kayong natutunan sa pagbibilang at pagbasa. At syempre, natuto din kayong mag-share at maging mabuti sa iba. We are all lifelong learners. Building our character begins from the example lived by our parents and teachers. Pagkatapos, tuwing pinipili natin ang mabuting gawa, tayo ay lumalago at nahuhulma ang ating kaugalian. Tandaan na mahalaga ang magandang asal at pakikitungo ng tapat dahil pinagtitibay nito ang ating pagkatao. Hindi na lamang pansarili ang inyong pagpapasya, kundi para na din sa kapakanan ng iba. Sa ating mga paaralan, kayo ay inihahanda para mamuno ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao. So live up to the good example of your teachers and loved ones. You are prepared to lead with competence and character. Once again, congratulations. Choose to live honorably and make us proud.